What's up, guys? Robbie Fuller here. So I'm just coming from the Honda dealership now. Went to pick up my TPMS sensor. Went and got I got some new rims for the car, and got some aftermarket sensor, and those seems to not be working out too well for me. So I just went back and I went to the dealership just now and got me some new ones. Just approaching the highway right now, so I just bring this over. So yeah, so I just went to the dealership now to pick these guys up. So those are going to be the original sensor that I'm going to put on the car, and hopefully, you know, well, these ones should work fine. You know, they're a little bit more expensive, but you know, for peace of mind, you know, I mean, can't put a price tag on peace of mind, right? So, and I'm one of those individuals where I don't like to be driving my car and have any kind of light on my dash. I want zero light on my dash. You know, anything that's not supposed to be there, I don't want it there. You know, so so I'll show you guys my light right now. So yeah, so as you can see, change gear here. There we go. Yeah, so so there you go. You guys can see the light on there. So I'm gonna get rid of that today. So guys, we just got to the shop where the guys are gonna be putting installing the new sensor on the car, and so hopefully, you know, once the sensor is installed right now, you know, everything's gonna be good with the car. You know, so usually what happens sometimes when you buy the aftermarket sensor, after a while it doesn't work. Mine's in the first place didn't start working. Well, it works for the first 2 days, and then after that it just kind of went bad, and I brought the car back, they reset it, didn't work again, reset it again, didn't work, reset it, didn't work, and so I was just having pure problems with it. So I decided to go to the Honda dealership and just pick a new one up, guys. I set it 4, and so here you go right now. Okay guys, the car's just got done with the new sensors installed, and the light is still in the dash, so I guess I'm just gonna drive a little bit and hopefully that should reset it. But yeah, so I'm like really excited right now that this issue is gonna be completely done with, and I can start enjoying the car. So I was supposed to take it into the shop to get my coilovers on today, but that's not going to happen. It's now after 11, and it's going to take a few hours to get done, and I start working at 2:30. So looks like that's going to have to be a tomorrow project. So anyways, guys, hopefully by the time I get home, you know, if the light does, the TPMS light does go away, then I'll continue this video. If it doesn't, then I'll just put it into the next video that I made with the car. So there you go, it's still on there. So I'm hoping that by the time I get home, because I live like 45 minutes away anyway, so by the time I get home, you know, it should reset, you know, and that'll be great. So yeah, so there's the car, guys. Still really high right now. It's just kind of ugly, but you know, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get those coilovers installed, and that'll be that. So guys, the tire pressure sensor did work. I got those from the Honda dealership, and it took me about I don't know, a few hours of driving on it before the light actually went away, and so I'm really excited right now. So I'm gonna go in there, turn the car on, so you can see there is no light on my dash, no TPMS light. Yep, no, she's good. So there's no tire pressure sensor light is gone, guys. So yeah. So if you've got the aftermarket sensor and they're not working, guys, You probably just want to go to the dealer and spend the extra $25 and just get the correct $25 per sensor, that is. Right, so spend the extra $25 and get them from the dealer, and you're definitely not going to be having any problems with the original sensor, because they're made specifically for the car. And so that's what I did. So these sensors are made specifically for this car year and model, and they work beautifully. And so yeah, so there's the car. She's lowered now, and like I said, TPMS lights are off, and everything is good. So if you have any problems with your tire pressure sensor lights on, staying on, after changing them out and getting the aftermarket ones, you probably want to go to the dealer and just pick yourself up an original set. And that's what I did. Now that I said that, though, I gotta tell you guys, because last year and my wife Honda Odyssey, I did get some aftermarket ones for the Odyssey, and they worked perfectly fine. So maybe it was just those one that was in the car. So I'm gonna go down a limb right now and say not all aftermarket tire pressure sensor is bad. Maybe the one that I got was defective. And so yeah, so now it's working good, guys, and I'm happy with the car, and so thank you so much for watching the video. Until the next one, guys, peace.